Lots of yummy ingredients are placed inside spring roll wrappers. Then they are wrapped into little pockets and pan fried until super crispy. It is super crispy and tasty. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to try. In a bowl, add the glass noodles and pour in the hot water. Soak for about 5 minutes until softened. Drain the glass noodles and cut into about 2 inches long. To make the dipping sauce, in a small bowl add the soy sauce, Chinkiang vinegar, and chili oil. Whisk. Set aside. In a pan over high heat, add the avocado oil or other high smoking point oil, carrot, cabbage, shiitake mushrooms, and garlic. Stir fry until aromatic and soften for about 2 minutes. To make the pockets super crispy, we cook the ingredients first, so the liquid will come out now and not later. Then add the glass noodles. The glass noodles also help to absorb the liquid inside the fillet. Add the vegetarian oyster sauce, white pepper. Mix well. You can also add other ingredients that you enjoy. Let it cool down for about 5 minutes. Place a wrapper flat. Add about 3 tablespoons of the filling in the center. Fold the bottom corner up, followed by the 2 sides to the center. Continue folding it up. Brush beaten egg at the top. Fold it up all the way. Repeat with the rest. In a pan over medium-high heat, add the avocado oil or other high smoking point oil. Add the vegetable pockets. Pan fry until golden brown for about 2 minutes. Flip and pan fry until golden brown for another 2 minutes. Do the same with the rest. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. You can even turn this into a fun family activity that everyone can participate. It doesn't matter how the pockets look like. The quality time that everyone spent together will build a long-lasting memory. And remember to serve the pockets to the elders in the family first. That's how we do it traditionally. Enjoy! This is absolutely delicious. I am so happy right now. It's so good. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like. And I will see you again soon. Bye!